Anyway, good morning. Again, so, na-check you ata yun, ha? Anyway, greetings. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Apo, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? Mga let us continue. Tagdad kayo magawa na po. Okay. Flor Deliza, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and serve your husband to be? Okay. Benjamin, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife to be?
Yes.
Of the marriage, of your own free will and voluntary deed?
Yes.
Okay. Sige. Benjamin, will you have Flor Deliza to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
Yes, ma'am.
For Deliza, will you have Benjamin to be your husband? To live together in marriage, will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Okay. Kasing you. Okay. Sige, muna ka Benjamin, follow after me. Tingnan mo sing ni Flor Deliza. Follow after me, ha? I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow.
and with all that I am,
With all that I am,
all that I have,
all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
Okay, pakisuotin. Okay na? Okay, 7 minutes lang. Follow after me. Bagam siya baga. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, pakisuotin. Wala. Well, left hand.
Sa left.
Ha?
Sa left.
Left hand. Ibangit. Makapanait ta. Makapanait ta. Okay. Sige. Tama na. Sino kadwayot to? Nag-witness. O, nag-wish yo man. Kaya kasar. Payo. Hindi, payo lang. Wish.
Wish ko lang kanyada mayor at sinisipot na ano.
Thank you. Sabi lang. Okay. Okay. Tatay ka mo. Benjamin, gamam di ima ni Flor Deliza. Flor Deliza, anamit vows mo. Kini Benjamin. At least naka-prepare pa sa amon. From the heart.
Or when, forever with you, simply not enough. But from this day forward, I hope to make the most of every moment. I next commit myself to you, then as a wife, to learn and grow with. To explore and eventually to respect you in every aspect of your life. In the for knowledge of God and peace, let me explore the for all the blessings and savings of life. The time is not to symbolize our connection to our another, but represent our trust in each other and our combined strength together.
Okay, 7 lang. Benjamin, anamit vows mo to Flor Deliza. Ibagam kinyanan from the heart.
Next, love starts as a feeling, but continues a choice. And and I find myself choosing you more and more every day. Today, I join my life to yours, not merely as your partner, but as your friend, your lover, and your confidant. Let me be your strong shoulder to lean, the rock on which you rest, companion of your life. With you, I will walk my path for this day forward.
Very good. O, sige, ikaw muna sige para. Both hands. Okay? Oh. By the virtue of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as your witness, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage that you have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Okay, you may now kiss the bride. Eh? Oh, one more time. Oh, you may now kiss the bride. Okay. Okay, mga kayo. 4 copies each.
Apat yan natin. Sa likod pa.
Ay. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. Picture tayo. Sige. Sige. One. Sige, Mitch. Mitch.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Sige, tuwa kayo ng Mitch. Okay.